Consider my light boundary, escape, put a escape character and save it. Now what we'll do, we'll try to run it and see in the output whether this is capturing or not. Let's open the runtime data. See, first we'll confirm this value whether it is coming exactly underscore e and vz. Okay, we'll go to output snapshot and sign in. We'll see the replay response body. This is the source page. Now we'll scroll. So it is coming with underscore elk underscore elk. So this is the right value we have captured. So at last what it is showing, z something, z underscore, this is the correct value. And now source page, it is ending with tya equals to. So source page equals to tya equals to. So this is the correct thing. We have done it. So we had done the changes in the two transaction. Now let's focus on the third transaction. We have to add. Okay. So first we have to add let's find whether this particular web page is loading or not. If so, nothing, if this particular page is not loading, you have to fail it. So text equals to step count fail equals to large. Just put a text count and now we have to check what is the text check. So we are getting login. We can take login as the text check, or we can take this particular thing. We can take this after login, what will come, right? The response of this. Go to the snapshot, scroll up. Yes. So this is the 302. It is redirecting to this particular page. And now we have to replace this thing. What correlation we have performed. We'll try to replace this control H, curly braces, paste this thing, and replace all. In one instance, is this particular value is coming. From here, we'll copy this particular shape. We'll replace this thing as well. Control H, paste the thing, and replace all. So now we have done this thing. So it's time to add the transaction. We'll just copy from previous transaction. Copy the thing and change the transaction number from 2 to 3 and click login button as, and I have to copy this particular code as well. We'll just add this particular thing. So we'll just see the page view also. Okay, it is not showing us any page view. So let's just add this particular thing. Or what we'll do, we'll just try to open it. And I'll show you when the particular page what is there. Yes, that's true. Enter the store, sign in, J2EE. Okay, this is the page it is showing. So we have to find out what is the unique text for this. My account. Okay, we can see after signing J2EE, and we could see welcome ABC is the unique text. So we have to find out this particular text. Copy this and add here. There. Now put a breakpoint and run it. Save the thing and try to run it. See, text count is 1. So we are getting this text count welcome ABC. What is the next work you have to do? Ideally, I forgot to tell you, you have to parameterize this particular also host. I will write as p underscore host, create a table, edit the value, paste the value, control alt save. Now change this particular value host and close it and save it. Replace host, yes. So just close this particular summary action page, init page. Now open the section page. Okay, what I need to show is all the time I don't want to select fish, dogs, reptiles, cats, birds. Anyone I wanted to select it. So in that case, what I need to do, I have to pass this as random value. So we have a function called, first of all we need to correlate this thing, category ID. Okay. So in the previous response we need to find it. Select snapshot and particular response body, control copy, paste. This is the recording, will copy, cut and paste. Sorry, uh, this one I need to copy and paste. Okay, let's just find out the face and all category ID. So see, this is the category ID we want. Either it may be dogs or something. So it depends on the value it should be changing. So I can take from here till here, copy this, and here I need to paste it. Okay, whereas say param mention c underscore category id lb equals to rb equals to and last. Save it, paste. Okay, we'll save it, and now we'll add one more attribute which is known as ordinals equals to all. It gives the array of value, like instead of one value it gives the in this particular count you can see dogs, cats, reptiles, birds with the same boundary. So we'll get four values, 1 2 3 4. So we'll get five values: fish, dog, reptiles, cat, birds. So what will I'll do, I'll put a breakpoint here and run it, and we'll see the parameter value. Okay, I'm getting 10 values. Let me just count it. Okay, I'm getting fish, dogs, reptiles, cat, bird. So I don't want to repeat. I'll just check it why I'm getting this one more time. Okay, what I'll do, I'll not consider this thing. I'll consider this as my right boundary. So definitely it will capture only 5 values. Paste it. Okay, let me just stop it. Remove it. And now, see, now when I run this, it will give, no, it will not give you 10 values, but it will give you 5 values. Let me just check the count data. Okay, it is giving one value. Why is that? Okay, so instead of this particular thing, what I'll do, I'll just give ampersand. Now definitely it will capture. Control save and run it. See, birds, fish, dogs, reptiles, cats, birds. One more time. Let me just check. Birds, fish, dog, reptiles, cat. Okay, here is a repetition. That's the reason it is coming one more time, else it won't be there. So that's not a problem at all. So I had to pass each time random. So what I will do, there is one more function called lr parameter random. So first of all, in globals, let me just declare a variable character star, and this is cat id, cat id, category id. Rand, yeah, random category id, rand category id. Copy this variable here equals to, I will assign lr eval string. I'll use one function lr parameter index idx. So give one more so that we'll even see this particular function f1. So we have to pass this particular array name. We have to mention here what I need to do is I have to copy this particular cat ID and now you have to create a random number. I'll copy this random number equals to lr eval string, then close it, then I'll pass the particular parameter copy and pass in this particular value and close it and pass this random number here and let's see whether it is passing here or not. Okay, let's just print this thing in the output console. lr output message, we'll even see here So let me just save this thing. First, we'll compile it, whether we are getting any kind of error. No. Then we'll just try to run it. The random number I am getting. Okay, I got the point. Why it is not printing? Let me just try it. Copy this thing. So this particular, as this is string, we don't need to convert anymore. And now we'll just, okay, see, we have already randomized this thing. So random 4, and we are getting reptiles. So isn't it great? Like whenever we run for this particular iteration, instead of this, we have to pass. So what we have to do? So I think we can continue on this next class, and I'll tell few more functions and we'll look in depth. I can challenge you in this particular fashion, nobody will tell you.